Hey lovies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And today I'm going to be unboxing the new Pattern Beauty blow dryer by Tracee Ellis. If you're interested in that, go ahead and join me in the video. Okay, so I'm so excited to be unboxing this new hair dryer by Tracee Ellis Ross, the Pattern Beauty. I have been seeing it so many places, seeing ladies talk about it, and since I was in the need of a new blow dryer, I thought I would invest in this dryer. I spent my own money on it, and I wanted to just tell you guys about it today since I just received it out of the mailbox. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Came in a lot of bubble wrap here. Okay. I was really interested in this because it came with a lot of attachments. And so, yeah. So yeah, it came wrapped in some yellow tissue paper. It has a little sticker on there that says Juicy and Joyful. Oh, I love it. Juicy and Joyful. Pattern Beauty by Tracee Ellis Ross. Okay. Alright, here we go. And this is the box. Again, I was saying I really was excited about this because it came with a lot of the attachments, and I've been wanting to get into diffusing my hair, and so it comes with a diffuser attachment, comes with a comb attachment, a brush attachment, and then it just comes with the regular concentrator nozzle, which is back here on the back too. You can see it tells you what each attachment is. Okay, so it comes with all of those. And let me just go ahead and open it up now. I have the hardest time with boxes sometimes, so I'm hoping this one will be kind to me and just open up. I really love the color too, right? It's like this kind of beigey, creamy, mustardy type color. Alright, let's see if I can get it out. I really like that. Oh, and it comes with this beautiful, the beautiful Tracee Ellis Ross. She's so beautiful. And her hair is just to die for. Love it. Love it, Tracee. Love it. Alright, so let's open it up. See if I can get it so you guys can see everything, honey. All the goodness. So it comes packaged this way. You open it up and it has all of the attachments. Hope you can see that. Alright. So let's take it out. I'm going to start with the blow dryer. Okay, so when I say it was an investment, it definitely was an investment. I did, however, get a little bit of a discount because I think I signed up for something you could sign up for and they'll send you like a little coupon. So I think I did that, and I was able to get a little bit. So I ended up spending, I think it was, well, actually, let me look at my invoice. I want to tell you guys the truth, honey. Let's see. It actually ended up being like $187 invoice. So, alright, let's take it off. Okay, so this is the attachment. This is the cord. Okay, it is fairly lightweight. I know that I was reading about it, and it has the has a cool shot right here, a cool shot. It also has an ion setting, and then it has a 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 as far as how high you can turn it up. Okay, and we're gonna turn it on because I want to see how loud it is and everything. Okay, so it has that. Alright, I'm Go ahead and undo that so that way I can plug it up and turn it on in a second. The other thing that I read about this, because you know I did some research before I spent my coins. Okay. So let's just try this. I did do some research, but the thing that I was getting ready to say is what I liked about it is that the attachments lock in. I have an old yellow bird dryer, and the attachment just kind of, you know, it just slides on there, and sometimes when I'm blow drying, it will, you know, pop off or slide off. So this has like a locking mechanism, which is so cool. So that way it just locks in place, and then, you know, you just there's a little button here that you can press that releases it. So you lock it in. You lock it in place, see, and it snaps, and then it has a little releasing mechanism right here. You press that and then it just comes off. How cool is that? Yeah, so I do love that about it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just open up all the attachments so you guys can see everything out of the plastic wrap. This is a diffuser, nice and big. Nice and big and wide. Okay, the diffuser. We already talked about the comb. This is the brush. I'm really excited about the brush for blow drying. I think that would be really cool. Alright, so this is the brush. And the bristles are rubbery, so it feels like it will really feel good against the scalp. It doesn't feel like it would, you know, no hurt or anything. So that is the brush attachment. Okay. And then we have the concentrator nozzle. Alright, and this is the concentrator nozzle. Okay. Alright, now I am going to turn it on because I want to let you guys see how loud it is. Yeah, I was just looking at this too. That is really pretty. I really love the packaging and everything. And so the whole gist of Tracee's line now is about you know, letting your curls and coils, just showing your pattern. I think it was kind of unique how she named it, pattern, against everybody's different pattern, coil pattern, curl pattern. Just really kind of neat how she did that. So yeah, I love it. And also you can see right in there, it has, in the grill of the dryer there, you can see it has pattern. Isn't that neat? Love it. I really do love it. Now I don't know how this is gonna feel like when you're, I'm so used to holding my blow dryer when I'm blow drying. I, you know, kind of hold it, you know, and then do it because I find that I have a better grip. But I'm not sure how this one's gonna do, but I am gonna try it. I think actually I'm gonna be trying it when I bring my curls back. I've been kind of still trying to extend my silk press I did a few weeks ago. But I think what I'm gonna do is use this when I get ready to bring my curls back, and maybe I'll just try to do, I don't know, maybe I'll do a wash and go, and then try to also figure out or learn or practice diffusing, because I've never diffused my hair ever. So since I have this, I'll probably use that. I also have another unboxing coming up. I'm not going to get into that today, but it's another one coming up that I'm going to be unboxing a product by my L that just came out. I know you guys are going to say, I've been moving on to different products, and I have. But my L just dropped this new product line, avocado and tamanu or something like that, and I just couldn't resist. I had to get it. So I think I'm going to bring my curls back with that product and then this. But stay tuned because I am going to be doing an unboxing later on this week to just kind of take everything out of the box and see how things smell and let you guys know about that. Okay, so watch out for that. The thing is that I don't have any Pattern Beauty products. So I'm going to pause here and I'm going to ask you guys if you have the blow dryer, or if you have any of Tracee's the Pattern products. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, like, what are the best ones that you feel are worth, you know, like trying out, and then that way maybe I can try some different ones out and use the whole with the blow dryer, her line, and everything together. But I don't have any of her hair products, but I did want this dryer because I think that I had been trying to, again, invest in another blow dryer, and when this one came out with everything in it, I thought, okay, I'm just gonna jump on it. So if you have the blow dryer, let me know what you think about the blow dryer, how you used it, and then if you have any products of the Pattern Beauty line, let me know that too down below. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love to hear the feedback from you guys. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna pause here and I'm going to plug in the dryer and we're gonna listen to it, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on so we can hear how it sounds. Not too loud. That is on 1. Now you have you have the heat settings 1, 2, 3, and then the power is 1, 2. So I have it on 1, and it's on 2 now of the heat, and so it heated up a little bit. Now I'm going to turn it on the 2nd. So that's the highest. That's the highest. And then I'm going to turn it on the 3. Yeah. It gets hot. It gets hot. Okay. So now I'm turning the temperature down to 1. This is the temperature again. Alright, and then that's off. Now what I wanted to try was the cold shot. This is the cold shot right here under the hood. Yeah. What I like about the cold shot is that when you press it, it locks in place, so you don't have to hold it. On a lot of dryers, you have to hold it while the cool air comes out, but this is instant. Once you press it, it locks in, and then you can, bring it off. So yeah, it gives very cool air. Very cool air. Yeah. Okay. All right, and then that's off. Again, you have the temperature heat. This is the temperature. It has a little temperature thing on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a little temperature, like little icon thing there. So this is temperature, and then this is the setting of high and low for the heat. Okay. The other thing I forgot to mention to you guys is that this is a removable filter, so it comes off. Right? Isn't that neat? Where you can kind of clean this when you need to clean it, and then you just twist it back on. Let me see. Yeah, just twist back on. And again, remember, this has where you can remove the notch, excuse me, the attachments. So you can remove those. So you just press it and then remove it. Press them in. Well, I can't. It's hard to do with me holding it, but let me do it this way. Then it just comes off. Okay. So yeah, that is so neat. I love it. So I can't wait to try it. So again, I just wanted to bring this to you guys so we could talk about it, unbox it, see what everything looks like, look at all the different attachments and everything. I am loving it, and I think it's beautiful. I love it because it's beautiful, nice and sleek and clean, and just the color is, yeah, I really love the color. You did that, Tracy. You did it. Hey, Tracy, if you're watching, hey. But anyway, so yeah, so watch out, guys. Soon it's going to be coming. I'm going to go ahead and do a video about with using it, actually, showing you a demo of it. Today is just taking everything out of the box. And yeah, so please look out for that. And yeah, so that's it. I don't really have anything else to say as far as this, but just wanted to show you guys. So we have seen, we have came, we have seen, or have we come and seen? Yeah, one of those. And so we see what it looks like, we see the attachments, and I'm going to be, again, bringing you guys an actual demo later on. It'll probably be this week because it's time for me to kind of bring my curls back. I've been, again, rocking this, trying to make the most of this silk press for about 3 weeks, and so now it's time to wash it. So I'm gonna use this with that, so watch out for that. And again, so if you guys like so far what I have crystal with me, and you like a little bit of what I've brought you today, please be sure to click the like button because it really does help others be able to find and see this video and this information. So I really appreciate if you liked it, only if you liked it, okay? And again, be watching out for the demo of this coming really soon. And yeah, until the next video, you know what I always say, be sure to choose joy every day, honey. Every day, choose joy. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.